Hello guys and welcome back to Creative Process DIY. In today's video I'm gonna be unboxing and installing this Treatlife Smart Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Detector. If you guys are watching my YouTube channel, you probably know that I work as a real estate agent, and when I'm showing properties to my clients, most of the day I am away from my home. We do have smoke and carbon monoxide detectors installed throughout the house. As you can see in this room we have a smoke detector and there is nothing wrong with it. It works. But the problem is, it's not smart. When you are away from your home, it cannot send you real-time alerts. For this specific reason, we decided to upgrade all our smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, and this is why we chose this company. So here are three main reasons. You get an instant real-time notification to your phone the moment danger is detected. You can connect up to 40 Treatlife carbon monoxide alarms, and you can create a safety network that will cover your entire home. This product works with other Treatlife smart devices, and I want to talk about it later in this video. So now let's open the box and see what we have inside. We have mounting hardware, user's guide, and smoke and carbon monoxide alarm itself. Also in the box we have a mounting bracket and two AA batteries. Now let's start the installation. I'm gonna remove my old smoke detector. Make sure to install the alarm at least 4 inches away from the wall. Check the user's guide where to install smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. Mark where the screws will go using the base as a guide. And drill 2 holes for drywall anchors. Install a mounting bracket using 2 screws provided. Install provided batteries. Mount the alarm to the mounting bracket and turn it clockwise. Scan this QR code or search Treatlife on App Store or Google Play to download the app. Register an account according to the instructions on the app. Click Add Device. On the left side click Sensor, select the Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Alarm. Follow the guide in the app to get it paired. The process is super easy, there is no need to show or explain anything here. Now I want to talk about another product of this company. This is Smart LED Light Bulb by Treatlife. And as you can see, it works with Alexa and Google Assistant. This LED bulb offers 16 million colors and has 800 lumens. The cool thing about this LED light bulb, it can actually be linked with other Treatlife products. When I work out at the gym, I listen to music very loud, and I'm planning to set up this LED light bulb so it's gonna turn red when my smoke and carbon monoxide detectors will send notification about any potential danger. It can actually be used by people with hearing loss. They will have a visual alert of potential danger, and it can be a lifesaver for someone. Now let's install this smart LED light bulb. It comes with user manual, so just follow the instructions to install this smart LED light bulb. Enter your password to continue. When the smart bulb connected to the app, now you can choose from many colors this smart bulb offers. Also, you can adjust the brightness. You can turn off and turn on your smart bulb remotely. Now I want this smart bulb to turn red as an additional warning when smoke and carbon monoxide alarm sends a smoke notification alert. You can change mode, brightness, color, temperature, and I'm gonna set up timer for 10 minutes. So now let's test both smoke and carbon monoxide detector and this smart LED light bulb.
Please leave the building and call 911 immediately.
We have few showings today and we will be away from our home for a few hours. And thanks to this app, We won't be worrying about safety of our home anymore.
Highest carbon monoxide level was 0 ppm. The testing is complete and you are protected.